Alright guys, just a quick look at the outside of the truck here for you. You guys have been asking. So you guys can see my truck number, so you guys can find me on the highway. It's a Skyrise bunk. Try to back up a bit here for you. Yes, there's a nice looking Kenworth beside me. You can see the back windows open up nicely. You can tell it's a Skyrise too because the back is all sealed up, closed up. Ooh, tripping in holes here. Same on the other side. Nothing special. Yep, it's an International. Alright guys, so that's it. Quick live update. Everything's good. We're loading in the morning. We're going to be heading into the terminal early. Oh geez, I can't even get in the truck here. To get our load. And then we're headed north. So our 36 is just about up here. We're going to be having an early supper and then heading to bed. And getting up super early and getting out of here. So we'll see you down the road.